Hello, my friend. Before we start, I want you to relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath and get ready for a small trip. Not a trip with a car, not a trip with a plane, but a trip inside the world around you. A world full of movement, light, sound, and beautiful signs from Allah. Today, I want to show you something you see every day, but maybe you never really noticed. And this trip will feel like a story, a simple, fun, light story. So, let's begin. Imagine you wake up in the morning, but today feels different. You open your eyes slowly, and the sunlight enters your room like a soft hello. It's warm, gentle, peaceful. You stretch your arms, and suddenly you feel your body wake up. Your muscles move, your heart beats a little faster. Your brain says, "Good morning." All of this happens quietly, smoothly, beautifully. And you think, wow, my body is working perfectly right now. Even before coffee. You stand up, you walk to the window, and you open it. Cold air touches your face. Fresh, clean, calm. The wind moves your hair a little. The trees outside dance slowly. You hear a bird singing. You watch the light play on the wall. And for one moment, everything feels connected. Everything is alive. Everything is working at the same time, like one big orchestra created by Allah. And you know what's funny? You are standing there thinking, this is so beautiful. And physics is secretly working behind everything. Yes, physics. That big, scary word from school. But today, it's not scary. Today, it's beautiful. Because every movement you see is actually a small miracle. When the wind touches your face, that's air pressure and motion. When the sunlight enters your room, that's energy traveling across space. When your heart beats, that's electricity inside your body. When the bird sings, that's sound waves moving through the air. And you know who explains this in the most fun way? My friend Mr. Abdul Hadi Kabli on YouTube. This guy makes physics so simple, so clear, so enjoyable, that you watch one video and suddenly you want to watch 10. But let's come back to our story. You go to the kitchen, you put water on the stove to make tea or coffee, you watch the pot. At first, nothing happens. Then small bubbles, then big bubbles, then steam goes up like a tiny cloud. And you smile, because now you know the secret. This is energy moving, heat traveling, water changing. A mini science show happening right inside your kitchen. You take your cup, you take a sip, and the warmth goes into your body. You feel alive. You feel awake. You feel ready for the day. And you think again, how is all of this working together? Your breath, your eyes, your steps, your voice, the sun, the wind, the heat, the shadows. It's like Allah is telling you, look at my signs. They are everywhere. Now you leave the house. You walk outside. You feel the sun on your skin. You hear cars passing. You see kids playing. You see a bird flying fast and another bird landing slowly. And guess what? Every single thing you're looking at is following rules. Real rules, exact rules, perfect rules. Not human rules, Allah's rules. And this is the part where physics becomes exciting, because understanding these rules is like learning the secret language of the universe. Why does the bird fly? Why does the stone fall? Why does the car make sound? Why does your shadow change size? Everything has an answer, and every answer makes your heart say, Subhanallah, this world is amazing. While you're walking, your mind keeps asking questions. Simple questions, but beautiful ones. How does sound move? How does light travel? Why does the sky look blue? How does my phone send a message? Why does cold air feel different from warm air? And suddenly, you remember something you saw on YouTube. A video from Abdul Hadi Kabli explaining exactly these things. He talks about motion, energy, heat, gravity, and makes them easy for everyone. You smile because now the world feels like a big classroom, but a fun one, with real-life things as your teacher. Now your day continues. You open a door, physics. You drop your keys, physics. You hear your footsteps, physics. You take a deep breath because the air feels good, physics. You sit on a chair without falling, physics. Everything around you is alive with meaning. And the best part? You don't need to be a scientist to enjoy this. You just need to look and think and say, Subhanallah. This is why learning physics can be so beautiful. Not because of formulas, not because of numbers, but because physics helps you see Allah's creation with a new heart. And if this episode made you smile, or made you curious, or made you look at your cup of tea in a new way, then I want you to take one small step. Go to YouTube, search for Abdul Hadi Kabli, and watch one video. Just one. I promise you, you will learn something new, you will enjoy it, and you will see the world differently. Thank you for being here with me today. Look around you right now. The light, the air, the sounds, your breath. Everything is a sign. Say Alhamdulillah. Say Subhanallah. And enjoy the creation of the Most Merciful. See you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.